There are many misconceptions around surrogacy and different people's fertility journeys. You only have to look at the news to see the reactions to celebrity surrogacies. Surrogacy in this country is very different to surrogacy in some US states, for example, but we want to highlight the misconceptions and misunderstandings around surrogacy in this country.
Did you know that surrogacy is a family law matter? You may not necessarily think it at first, but surrogacy does have to go through the family law process. Essentially, this is because there is a change in the legal parenthood of a child. A family lawyer can help you draw up a surrogacy agreement. Although these aren't legally binding in the UK, they can go a very long way in helping if something does go wrong.
When you want to start your surrogacy journey, it is actually for a surrogate to approach you to help you rather than you approach a surrogate.
One of the biggest misconceptions of all is whether it is illegal to pay a surrogate in the UK more than their reasonable expenses. It's absolutely not illegal. When you're making an application for a parental order following a surrogacy arrangement, the court will just need to authorise any payments that were above reasonable expenses. This is quite common, particularly where we are dealing with certain states in America where commercial surrogacy arrangements are legal. When the application for a parental order is being made in the UK, we will just need to get those payments authorised.
Did you know that if a child is born through surrogacy, the surrogate mother, and if she's married, her husband would have the legal rights over the child and not the parents that the baby was intended for? So it's really important that if you're considering going through this process, then you seek legal advice to know how you can get those parental rights for your child.
You actually have to wait until your baby is 6 weeks old to apply for parenthood, and you also must make the application before your baby is 6 months old.